everyone. In the last video, we learned how to set up a character really quickly. I said I was going to make the terrain for this video, but instead we are going to make the skybox. So as you can see, the sky is looking kind of bland right now. So we can make our own skybox texture, but luckily there are already textures on the internet we could use. So on a web browser, you want to search up Skybox Unity Asset Store. Now, if you go into right here, I think this is the one, Skybox Series Free in the Asset Store. You can add it to your assets, and after you do that, you also need an account for this, by the way. Sign into your Unity account. It offers you amazing skybox textures and like already pre-made for you. So I think that's very cool, and that's what we're going to use for this video. So click on Window Package Manager after you downloaded the skybox, and then go to Packages, My Assets, and search up Skybox. Skybox Series Free, and download this. After download, you have to press Import, but it's going to take a while because these are 4K textures. We are making a realistic 3D platformer game, so if you're looking for something more low poly, I don't think this series is for you. So after, click on Import. And now we'll have to wait a bit longer for all of this to import, so I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, I have to click on this. Alright guys, so I finally got the Skybox series imported into my scene. So now what you want to do is you want to go to Window and you want to go to Rendering and Lighting. We can move this right next to the inspector, and if you go to Environment, and then here is the skybox material. So this is what the skybox looks like currently. But if we go to the Sky Series freebie, and then we add the material, we'll change the skybox entirely. So I'm going to pick something that's bright and something that looks good. Hold on. Casual day works best for me. And we got the skybox done, so that is really the basics of this importing the skybox into Unity. In the next video, we will be making the terrain for the third-person game, 3D game, and I'll see you then.